Page number 17. Sweet 17. Okay? Page number 17 in your handout. But you do not have to swallow everything, brother. We are going to do slowly, slowly. What is the title? Shibu Jumla. Can you read Shibu Jumla? Shibu Jumlati. Shibul Jumlati. But we say Shibu Jumla. And what is it? The phrase. And slowly, slowly, we will master this. Are you with me?
Right.
Now, keep that in mind, and at home you can read it and try to understand. But I assure you, brother, I assure you that within 10 sessions, you will know all these things, inshallah. You will know all these things, brother, inshallah. Okay, we now start. Aina Muhammadun. Now, is it a question? We are not going to analyze it. What is the meaning of Aina? Where? Aina is where. Where is Muhammad? What is the answer? Huwa fil ghurfati. Huwa fil ghurfati. Are you with me, Sister Salma? Okay, tell me, Sister Salma, is this sentence Jumla Ismiya? Huwa fil ghurfati? Why? Why do you call it Jumla Ismiya? Because it began with a noun. Where is the noun? Huwa. Even though it is damir, but it is ism. Got the idea? I want you to get into this, Huwa fil ghurfati. Is it a Jumla Ismiya? Yes. How do you know it is Jumla Ismiya? Because Huwa is a noun. Huwa is a noun. Ji? Ghurfati, we are coming. We are coming. Okay. Okay, brothers and sisters? Huwa fil ghurfati. Okay, fine. What is huwa? That I know. Huwa, what is huwa? Mubtada. When you come to Jumla Ismiya, we want to know where is Mubtada and where is Khabar. But it will be so interesting later on when you will read Qur'an. And when we will write the Qur'an, and then you will be able to figure out everything, inshallah. Okay. Okay, huwa. What is fi? Harf jar. And what is al-ghurfati? Ism majrur. Harf jar? Ism majrur. Ghurfati is ism majrur. Sister Fatima, are you with me? Fi harf jar. And harf jar will always, always, always be followed by a noun, nothing but a noun, and that noun is always be majrur, brother. Till the end of the time, this will remain. Okay? Harf jar, you are all silent. Ism majrur. Harf jar has to be majrur, no other choice. Are you with me? So now we know why the ism becomes majrur. Because one reason is that harf jar came in front of it and it pulled the down. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Fine. Huwa fil ghurfati, and I will say huwa mubtada, fil ghurfati, jarun wa majrurun, shibu jumla khabar. Are you with me? What will you say? I know it is too much, but with intensive course, I take the liberty and give you heavy doses. Because you will go home and inshallah work. Again I repeat, huwa mubtada. It is damir. What kind of damir it is? Damir munfasil. It is on its own. Detached house. Huwa mubtada fi fil ghurfati. Now I take the shortcut. Fil ghurfati jarun wa majrurun. Shibu jumla khabar. Because if I say huwa is mubtada, then I got to have a khabar. And where is the khabar? Shibu jumla. Jarun wa majrurun. Got the idea? Okay. Brother Abdul Qadir, ghurfati means room. Ghurfati means he's in the room. Fine, brother. Wa aina Yasirun. Where is Yasir? Huh? And where is Yasir? And Ataf came. What is the answer? Huwa fil hammami. Hammami. Majrur. Huh? Who made it majrur? Fi. Huh? Good. Any question? Huh? No, okay. Feel free to ask. Huh? Okay. The question should be related to the lesson. Huh? If there are questions outside the lesson, then you will ask me after the class. Huh? After the class or during the break, inshallah. Okay. Fil hammam. Huwa mubtada. What is the fil hammami? Jarun wa majrurun. Shibu jumla khabar. Are you with me? Brother Muhammad? Wa aina Aminatu. And where is Amina? Here, see now, the pronoun change to replace Amina, to substitute Amina. Muannas. Here, fil matbahi. What is matbahi? Kitchen. She is making biryani for us. Huh? Here, fil matbahi. Okay? Here, fil matbahi. Okay, what is here, brother? I know that. Here, mubtada. Here, Sister Salma is a pronoun. She, jumla ismiya. What is here? Mubtada. Oh, then, brother, where is the khabar? Fil matbakh. Jarun wa majrur. Are you with me, brother? Jarun wa. I will repeat this tomorrow also, so you don't worry, brother. Jarun wa majrurun shibu jumla khabar. Got the idea? Inshallah. Brother, I assure you, on Monday when you will come to the class, you will know this so well that you will say, I knew this from my childhood, you know. I didn't learn now. I knew it all. I knew it all the time, you know. Okay, fine, brother. Aina al-kitabu. Where is the book? Huh? Huwa. How will you translate huwa this in this time, brother? It. Huh? Huwa alal maktabi. It is on the desk. Huh? So, brother, huwa is mubtada. Huh? Where is the khabar? Alal maktabi. And what is alal maktabi? Jarun wa majrurun shibu jumla khabar. Shibu jumla khabar. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Very good. Aina sa'atu. Where is the watch? Aina sa'atu. Where is the watch? Okay, where is the watch? Here, ala sariri. It is on the bed. Where is mubtada, brother? Here. Where is the khabar? Ala sariri. And what is ala sariri? Jarun wa majrurun shibu jumla khabar. Isn't it easy, brother? I think it is halwa puri. Huh? If you want to call it baklava, I don't mind. I like baklava also. It's beautiful, brother. You will find, inshallah, you will find all these things very interesting. I was absolutely fascinated by it when I understood it. When you don't understand, it doesn't fascinate you. But when you understand, it makes a lot of sense, brother. And we will come across verses from the Qur'an, you know, which will tell us all these things. Okay. Now, I have to point out something to you. If a noun ends with circle ta, or you call it close ta. How many kinds of ta are there, brother? I will write down here. Open. What is this called? Open ta. And what is this called? Close ta. Or you can say circle. Okay? In Arabic, this is called ta marbuta. What is it called? Ta marbuta. We will inshallah memorize it slowly, slowly. But for the sake of ease, let us call it open and close. Open ta and close ta. Any noun that ends with close ta, 99.9%, it is muannas. What is it? It is muannas, feminine. Any ta. And you can make a noun from masculine to muannas most of the time by just adding the ta marbuta, close ta. You make it muannas. Huh? Is it clear? We will do a lot of exercises, inshallah. Okay. So, sa'atu, if the noun is sa'atu, tell me, is it masculine or feminine? It is feminine. Why? You saw that little close ta there. Yeah, very good. And that is why, in answer to that question, you used here. You use muannas. I should keep the watch so that I can watch the time, Okay? Hada kalamun. Hadihi sa'atun. We changed. Hadihi. We are going to learn, inshallah. I'm not going to go into that hadihi business now. Later on we'll go, inshallah. Okay. Ajib, answer. Anil as'ilatil atiyati. Answer the following questions. Brother, we will answer the question from the text of the book. Are you with me? We will answer from the text of the book. Aynal kitabu. Where is the book? What will be your answer? Huwa alal maktabi. Now translate. It is on the desk. Now, I don't want to analyze everything, but once you know the analysis, you know it is mubtada and khabar. Are you with me, brother? Muhammad, it is mubtada. Huwa mubtada alal maktabi. Jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar. Jarun majrur, fine. Aina Muhammadun. Huwa fil ghurfati. Now you got to write all these things, brother. You got to write all these things. When you will write, you'll become strong. Brother, no pain, no gain. No pain, no gain, brother. Without hard work, no fruits. Okay? So you have to work hard. And I must remind you, we are in intensive course. It means like going to a college for 6 months, and in 6 months you work hard, you master that course, and you get a diploma. And we are going to work hard just like that, and inshallah finish the course. Fine. What is the next question? And I'm not checking your homework, brother. You will check yourself. Also, we have a special books like called Hallo Tamari, solution to the exercise. You don't have it? You can buy it. There are 3 books for $5. Okay? And that has got all the answers to these exercises. Okay? But do not go to that Hallo Tamarin first and write it. That will defeat the purpose. Yeah, and yes, Brother Farooq?
We have English translation?
Brother, no. English translation, we'll do it in the class and you will write down. Okay? Now, the point is this, brothers and sisters. After a great deal of hard work on the part of Dr. Abdurrahim and on our part to request him, to push him, to pester him, Dr. Sahib, we need Hallo Tamarin. We need Hallo Tamarin. We live in Canada. We don't have time. And even teacher doesn't have time to check each and every homework. So finally, Dr. Abdurrahim wrote the answers to all the Tamarin. And we have it. Inshallah, after the class, or tomorrow, inshallah, I will bring and keep it here. And Brother Muhammad, inshallah, you'll give them. Huh? It's essential. It will help you. 3 books completes everything. Okay, brothers and sisters. So, aina saatu. Here, alas sariri. Where is the watch? It's on the bed. Huh? Now, I'm not analyzing, brother. Now it is understood, you know it. Okay? Aina yasirun. Huwa fil hammami. You will memorize slowly. Hammam is also Urdu word. Not Urdu word, Arabic word, but borrowed from Urdu, borrowed it. Yeah, hammam. Bathroom. Huh? Bathroom. Huh? Okay. Where you take shower, brother. Okay. Shower room, you can say. Okay, brother. Aina aminatu. Hiya amina. Muannas. Hiya fil matbakhi. I told you biryani is being cooked for us. Aina aminatu. Hiya fil matbakhi. She's in the kitchen. Very good. Now comes question. Look at it, brother. Hamza came in the beginning. Huh? Aminatu fil ghurfati? La. Aminatu fil ghurfati? Is Amina in the room? La. Where is she? Hiya fil matbakhi. It's easy, brother. Hiya fil matbakhi. She is not in the room. She is in the kitchen. Okay, brother. Yasirun fil matbakhi? La. Huwa fil hammami. Huwa fil hammami. Okay? Are you, Brother Farooq, do you follow the, yeah, inshallah. It will be better if you have any problem, write it in English with a small writing on the book, inshallah. Okay, brother? Huwa fil hammami. Okay. Man fil ghurfati. See, man has come. Who is in the room? Muhammadun fil ghurfati. Muhammadun fil ghurfati. Muhammad is in the room. Fine, brother and sister. Waman fil hammami. Waman fil hammami. And who is in the shower room? Yasirun fil hammami. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah, you'll be able to do it. You'll be able to do it, inshallah. Fine, brother and sister. Maza alal mattabi. What is on the desk? Maza alal mattabi. What is on the desk? What is on the desk, brother? Al kitabu alal maktabi. Al kitabu mubtada. Alal maktabi jarun wa majrurun shibbu jumla khabar. Got the idea? Inshallah. Very good. Maza ala sariri. What is on the bed? As-sa'atu. As-sa'atu ala sariri. As-sa'atu mubtada. Ala sariri jarun wa majrurun shibbu jumla khabar. Got the idea? Now, ikra waqtum. Ma dabti awakhir al-kalimati. By putting the proper vowel signs at the end of the word. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now remember our knowledge. Why did we take trouble to learn marfu, mansub, majrur? Now you will use it. You will figure out when the noun becomes majrur.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا